of Jerry Lee Lewis hit song. It was done as a rockabilly tune at one point, and then it got slowed down by a friend of mine up in Connecticut, and he even stole this signature lick off of an Otis Redding tune. So this has nothing to do with Jerry Lee Lewis anymore. You folks settled in? You all right? All right. Where were you at the Sands last night? That's where we were. They didn't come down to we played in front of 10 of people. 10. Here we go. This is kind of an art noir song. It's in black and white. If you hear somebody knocking on the door, you feel something crawling across the floor, little baby, I'll be looking for you. If you hear a foghorn calling in the night, you see someone standing under the lamppost so bright, it'll be me. I'll be looking for you. I'm gonna search in the city where those lights are so blue. Searching the countryside, all those haystacks too. If you feel something tugging on your fishing pole, you find a lump of sweet mama in your sugar bowl. Little baby, I'll be looking for you. I'm gonna search the city, where those lights are so blue. Searching the countryside, all those haystacks feel something heavy on your fishing pole. You find a lump, sweet mama, and you're sure sugar bowl. It'll be me. I'll be looking for you. It'll be me. I'll be looking for you. I'll meet you by the tennis courts, by the Fahey Bridge a little later tonight. Don't finish off that wine. A little for me, all right? I'll bring Reid. He can sit in the car.